Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing some more bracelets in this Christmas looking color. Well, in this color, I'm going for Christmas bracelets. Then I have a gold wreath, a gold Christmas tree, and I have gold bells. And then I have my not charms, but chains. I got two of them from my last video that I made. I'm gonna be doing when I was doing the Apple Watch bracelet thing. So these are the two I'm gonna be using, and then of course my spacers, my thread, and my scissors. So stay tuned. So as you can see, let me bring it down a little bit. Okay, this is what you need to see. This is what you need to see, but whatever. I had my board upside down. So what I'm going to do now is fix my bead things, my glass beads, and all that good stuff. This bead is ugly. I think I'm going to use my beaded needle again because it went by quicker. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this together, and I'm going to come back with the design of what I want it to look like. So stay tuned, and I will be back. So really, I don't know if I want to do the heart spacers, or I want to do these kind of spacers. If y'all can see it, these. I don't know which one I want to do. So, but yeah, we're gonna get started. First, I'm gonna put my beads on here again, like I did yesterday, and I'm gonna start from up this way today. And put, I think I'm gonna put a heart spacer, and then do this like this. This bead right here is a different color bead. It got red and white clear. Yeah, there you go. Red and white clear. So you can see it. So this is what I got right here. I got the different color bead, red, the different color red and white, a clear bead, red, white, well, clear white, and a spacer, and it goes on and on and on. So now what I'm going to do is take the thread, well, the string. I don't know why I keep saying thread, but I guess because I'm so used to it. And I'm going to hook it on there. And bend this thing down so it can come on there. Go right on down on it. I probably won't do the beaded needle on the next one because it keep getting stuck on these spacers. and I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is take these off, and then I'm going to come back. So now I am putting these on here. Great fit, right fit. And I'm going to take my scissors and clip them. But how's y'all day today? Mine's is good. How about yourselves? Sorry that I paused it. I was focusing on this, seeing was the thread on there good. Why did I tie it good? Oh dang, I forgot my charm. But I put it on the other one. But this is what I have. So cute. So now what I'm going to do is the same thing. That's why I say I need to focus more on my stuff, because I just forgot to put my charm on this bracelet. Like, what the heck? So we're going to do white and red with a gold spacer this time. And then what I'm going to do is put the charm on there when I get down on it. And then the this thing right here, which is a chain. I'm putting the beads on here now. But when I do this, the next one, like right here, I'm going to do the chain on there. And then do it again, and then put my spacer on there. This is exactly what I'm doing. And then I'm going to put the other side of the spacer, the other side of the chain on here. So it's going to be like this. So I'll be back. So I have this. Well, let me turn it around so you can see this Christmas tree. This is what I got. Then I'm going to go ahead and let me and twirl it. And then put it on here. But yeah, I was told you I'm gonna start doing but yeah, I told you I was gonna start doing videos every day. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. Start doing them every day. Why not? So need some more beads and charms on here. So I don't want it to be like the other one was and hanging, dangling off so bad. So it fits it. How was y'all Sunday? How's y'all Sunday going? Mine's is going fine though. Ooh. Make sure y'all still can hear me because this thing be going bye-bye sometimes. But here you go. The thing is right here. Right here. So this is the design I have. And I'm gonna use probably the hearts in these spacers this time on it. So I have the red bead and a different color bead on here. So what I'm going to do is same thing. Make sure that it's right on it. But yeah, I'm so happy about I just can't wait to do my Cricut cutter, my stickers and stuff on there. Can't wait to do that. I think I'm gonna show y'all when I do them. It takes me a while to do what I need to do, but I get it done though. If other stuff is on my mind, then I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I want y'all to stay tuned for that. So this is what I have right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have it go when I put it on there. I'm gonna have it going this way, so this chain can be on this side of it. So yeah. So now what I'm gonna do now is put it on here. Make sure it's right because trying to be careful because I don't want this thing to pinch my finger or stick my finger. I don't got time for that. Because they don't care. It's disrespectful. Put them over to the side. Let me take some of this thread off of here. And I'm going to twirl it around. And I need more like one more spacer and one more bead. Probably so. Yep. Then I'm going to put another spacer in between, probably this circle spacer right here. This is what I got. Right here. See. and then so this is what I have right here. Yep, think I did good on there. What do y'all think? So what I'm gonna do is get my thing right here. Make sure it's right. Sir. And then you ain't no ma'am either. And I'm put it up here. Probably right here. Bring it back. Oh, yeah, I didn't see it. But it's sitting right here. This is where it's at. But I see that I have extra things. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Probably make it in a smaller size or something like that. Like this size and, you know, or baby size. I don't know yet, but I'm going to put it back in there in the bag it came in. I'm going to put the beads back in there. So when I do another one, if somebody like it and want it in a smaller size with the chain on it, they can have it. I can already, well, lie. I can already have it done. Well, not done, but packaged if I can do them. And the only thing I have is the wreath. For the charm. And then the rest of these spacers. But thanks for watching my YouTube on my channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye. And this will be in my next video, this color. So this is like a burgundy. I don't know what color that is. It's a reddish burgundy and white. Clear white. And then it's the white beads. And then I got the silver spacers. This is the next color that I'm going to do in my bracelets.